Hello everyone, my name is Lakarabepis and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we shall go through Mailmerging. Now, if you are confused about what Mailmerging is simply creating documents like letters, envelopes, or even emails and then sending them in bulks. Let's take for example that you are having your wedding and you want to invite 500 people. Of course, you cannot type letters one by one, so what you do, you just type one and then forward it to the 500 people using the mail merge. So when we are creating a letter, we use the Microsoft Word application, and then here is a sample letter, an invitation letter I have created. So now to begin with, when you are mail merging, yes, after creating the letter, what you do, you go to mailings. For mailings, you come here and open the start mail merge tab. Yes, when you open, then it will give you options like letters, email, messages, envelopes, but for this one here, we are going with step-by-step mail merge wizard. Yes, double click on that, and then at the right hand side of your screen, it's gonna show you that mail merge, and then give you an option of select document type. What type of a document are you working on? And for this, our case, we are working on letters. Yes, letters here, so we shall click next to continue, and after that it will give you an option of select starting document. Now here we are already having our document here, so we shall just use the option given here, that is use the current document. Then we press next, and then here they are giving us option of selecting recipients. Now those are the people that are going to receive our letter, but here we are not having the list yet. So what we're going to do is press on the type a new list. Yes, and then it's going to give us the option of creating the new list. Now here, when you're creating the new list, here we have options here. Like for example, there is title, first name, last name, company name. But remember that in our letter, we don't have the provision of all these ones. So what we shall do, we shall come here to customize columns. Yes, we customize our columns. It's just like editing our columns. Yes, we remove what we want and we add what we remove what we don't want and add what we want. So now here in our letter, we are not having any provision for title. That means that we shall delete it. Yes, it's deleted. So first name, yes, there's a provision for that, so we shall go to the next one, which is last name. We delete that one. Company name, that's not there in our letter, so we are deleting that too. Address line, we don't need that. So basically here in the customized address list, what we do is simply organize our recipient list according to what we have. It's according to what we have. And then here zip code, no, we don't need that, so we are getting rid of it. The country, no. The home phone, no. So we are basically just removing everything we don't need. We're just leaving only the ones we need. Yes, here. So we're left with first name and the city. And then in this case, we're not having the city, but we're having a district. So what we do is rename. So we shall rename from city to district. From city to district. Yes, district here. Then you press OK to confirm. Yeah, so here is the customized address list. We press OK, and then here is our list. Now what we shall do here, we shall type the first name and then the district here. So for the first one, my first recipient is Hope. Yes, and the district is Gulu district. Yes, and then to add another column, what you do, you come here to the new entry tab. Yes, and you press it, then automatically a new row is going to appear. And then our next recipient can be Lucky. Yes, Lucky from Kampala. Yes, and then we shall add another recipient from the new entry tab. That will be Joshua. Then the district name is going to be Kitgum. Yes, Joshua from Kitgum district. Yeah, then we're going to add one more recipient to make 4. Then that will be Mark, and then the district name will be Soroti district. Yes, so now when you're done with typing your address list, when you're done with typing that, you come here, you press OK, then you wait. Now it will give you an option of saving your list, so you can save your list as in wedding recipient. So you're just basically giving your recipient list a file name just for easy identification. So this one is wedding recipient list. Then we are going to save it. Now after saving, it's going to show you this. Now this is where you're going to do the confirmations from. Yes, wedding recipient list, that is the data source, the file name, the first name, and the district name. So when you have confirmed that everything is the way you want it, there is no need for editing, right? So there's no need of refreshing too. So what you do, you just press OK, and then after we are done with creating our list. Yeah, so now from here, what you're going to do, you're going to now the next thing is that we shall go to insert merge field. Yes, that is when you shall go to insert merge field, click on it. Yes, now here we have the first name and the district. These are the two addresses we have used in our letter. You have the name, yes, and then the first name, and then the district. So we shall go to insert merge field here, and then you have to make sure that where you want to insert the merge field is where your cursor is, like here too. This is where we have the first name, so we shall press this. Is giving us the options, then we shall go with the first one, that is first name. Yes, and then we take the cursor back down, yeah, and then we shall insert the next one, that is district. So now here we have inserted the merge field. Yeah, to correct this, there is an error. Now it's perfect. What we do next after inserting the merge field, we come back to the right hand side of your screen. You find where it's written write your letter, but you know we have already written our letter. Our letter is already there, so we are not going to consider these options up here. So we shall go to next, preview your letters. So as you have seen, after pressing preview, there is changes here. So where we have written to, the name Hope has appeared, and then where the district is, yes, the name Hope and the address Gulu for the district has appeared. Now once you have seen that, that means that you have succeeded in mail merging your letter. Now if you want to check for the rest of the recipients, you're going to come here to preview your letters, then you press this. Should show you the next recipient, that is Lakia, yes, and then the third one Joshua, yes, and then the fourth one Mark. So we have successfully mail merged this letter. So we shall go to complete the mail merge. Yeah, here complete the mail merge. So here it's going to give you options of complete the mail merge, and then under merge it's going to give you options of print or edit individual letters. That is if you want to make some more changes. Yeah, so after that we have successfully mail merged our letter. So we shall just save our work. Yes, this is the end of this tutorial. For more videos, please don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, comment, and also share. Have a good day.